Before Chris, I did coaching and I did energy healing. And with the coaching, it was all about me coming up with solutions to my problems. And it was very mental. And then with energy work, it was very spiritual. And I knew it worked, but my mental side always trivialized it in a way. I loved it and I trivialized it. I loved it and I trivialized it. It was this battle between accepting the spiritual, energetic part, which I do, but there's always a part that goes very, I won't say scientific, but closer to science. And what Chris offers is almost a balance between both, because she's a coach, but she's also an energetic coach and a spiritual coach, but without there is a little bit, if you want to call it, of woo, there is, but it makes sense, the woo, because what comes on the other side is so solid that it doesn't make me feel flaky. And I've done everything energetically possible. I used to do every single thing. And they did have an effect. They just felt a bit strange. And I didn't like feeling that strangeness. And with Chris, I do feel that strangeness, but there is solidity to it. So I don't feel weird, if I can call it that way. I'll share a couple of things that's happened to me with Chris. We'd be scheduled to speak 10 a.m. our time, which would be evening Australia time. And I'd wake up knowing Chris is doing some energy work on me. And I do feel that with other energy workers, but with Chris, it doesn't faze me and it doesn't sort of get me unbalanced, which I like. Our latest statement that we're working on, I love myself for who I am. When she gave me that statement 2 months ago, I almost fell out of my bed. We did some work on it, and I was reading it just this morning because I got it on a sticky note in my bathroom. And I looked at it and I said, yeah, I'm getting there. I'm actually cute when I do things that I used to hate. Now I just dislike slightly. But I'm okay. And believe me, I know 100% I couldn't have done it without Chris. No matter how much I did, I didn't change. And then Chris came and exponentially just got the ball moving and got me going. And every time we get a new statement, it shakes me a little bit. But then we're fine and I'm loving them and I'm not running away from them. So I'm really proud of where I am. I'm really proud of being able to be comfortable speaking and not have thoughts in my mind going, oh, you might make a mistake. Oh my God. No thoughts. And it comes from, I won't say working on myself, more like unworking myself. So letting go of everything that used to suppress me. I keep telling everyone I love what Chris is doing. I love what she's done, but I can't still really explain what she does. The whole combination of spirituality and actual being there coaching and really good spiritual stuff, like amazing spiritual stuff and great coaching is, I think, what Chris does.